All right, guys, let's go over Tuesday's morning work. The first one is a simple multiplication one, and they have two groups of four or four groups of two, depending on if you're looking at it frontwards or backwards. So we have one group of four and then two groups of four for a total of 8 basketballs. All right, and then number two is actually kind of tricky because it's a fraction. Now we have the number 0 right here, and then we have 1 right there. Now, if we are split this one half, that's the halfway mark. So it's not a half, but this one is split into actually 4 sections. See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we have our dot right here, we're on the first section out of 4. So the fraction's 1/4. All right, so let's talk about this multiplying and dividing on number 3. 10 times something equals 20. 10, 20. It took us 2 times to get there, so we're going to put a 2 right there. Now, this little symbol right next door, that is also a divide symbol. Think about how many times 10 fits inside of 20. It fits inside of there 2 times. Now, the next one gets much trickier because you're going all the way from a 3 to a 24. So let's skip count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So it took us 8 times to get there. So we're going to put an 8 on top, and also 3 times 8 equals 24. It's just different ways of writing that multiplying and dividing. All right, on number 4, it wants us to measure this. Now, it gets all the way up to the 4-inch line, but it didn't quite make it to 5, did it? It did not. Now, if I am looking at this, you know what? It's a little bigger than that one. That's a little sloppy line, Miss Camp. Let me see if I can undo that. There we go. It's a little. Oh, Miss Camp, I'm on my eraser now. Sorry. Let me try that again, kids. There's the 1/4 line. That's not it. There's the half line. That's not it. It's got to be this last little bit right there. Now, that is 1, 2, 3. We got up to the number 4. So it's 4 and 1, 2, 3/4. All right, that one was kind of hard. That was the tricky one of the day. And then the last one, if we have two, oops, Miss Camp, I'm doing the wrong question. If we have 2 groups of 3, just like that, that's the same thing. See how they both have 6 dots on that picture and 6 dots on that one? But we could also say that that is 3 groups of 2, so that is the same thing, and it's something called the commutative property. So make sure you have checked your answers if you missed anything, and if you got it all, give yourself a 100.